Hello, my little lovelies. I hope everybody's doing good today. Today we're going to talk about the needs of plants, okay, in this lesson. So, first of all, plants have four basic needs for survival. They've got to have air, and air is light, carbon dioxide, and oxygen. Well, the water gives the nutrients the ability in the soil to help the plant grow. So this gives us air, all right? And so, excuse me, I gotta get back to my spot. So without air, a plant can't survive, okay? It just can't. So they've got to have respiration and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, which is used in the photosynthesis process, which is the process by which a plant makes its own energy from water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. Next, we've got water. Good old H2O. All right, so here's our water. Like air, water is essential to the survival of plants. A plant will die if it's without water for a long time. Water is needed to make food during photosynthesis and transport food and nutrients to other parts of the plant. The third thing that a plant needs to survive is nutrients in the soil. So just as humans and animals use food for energy, a plant uses the nutrients in the soil to grow strong. Soil is important because it provides a place for plants and roots to grow and spread, and it also provides water and nutrients for the plants. And remember, the water comes down to the soil, and it provides water and nutrients for the plants. The fourth thing that a plant needs for survival is sunlight. Did you know we need sunlight too? We need sunlight. It gives us vitamin D. And if you don't get enough vitamin D every day, like being outside and things like that, it can make you sick. I know, because I have that problem too. I have to take vitamin D supplements. So, with that said, sunlight's necessary for photosynthesis. Without sunlight, a plant can't survive. Sunlight's important because it provides energy needed for water and carbon dioxide to combine and produce glucose in leaves during photosynthesis. And oxygen's necessary for human and animal survival, a byproduct of photosynthesis which requires sunlight. So, take a minute. Think about all the different kinds of plants that there are on Earth. Try looking out a window. What plants are growing where you are? Take a look outside your window, walk outside if it's not raining, if your parents give you permission to. All right, so what you're going to do in the show it section, you've got to explain how a plant meets its basic needs. Well, you've got to make a list. Think about what kinds of plants grow near your home or school in your community. Maybe you live near oak trees, maybe you live near pine trees or palm trees. Maybe you live on a farm where many crops grow. Do you have plants inside your home for which you help care? Choose a plant in your habitat and explain how it is able to survive by describing how its basic needs are met. Then you're going to write a list in the discussion part below. Write a list of the plant's basic needs that include how each plant is met, why each need is important to the plant's survival. So again, summing everything up, there are four basic needs of plants. Air, which is light energy, carbon dioxide, and oxygen, the water from the water to the nutrients to the roots, the water, nutrients in soil, and good old sunlight. If you have any questions, you can email me. You guys, I don't know if you have my number memorized by now. It's okay if you don't. 256-357. 1510. I don't call myself a lot, so I have a hard time remembering my number. Wait a minute. 256-357-4636, and then it's going to ask you for an extension, and that is 1510. Now, don't get confused when you call. I am a teacher, but I am at Wedowee Middle School, even though I teach virtually, and I teach kids all over the county, so don't be confused when you hear that, okay? Hope everybody's doing good, and as usual, I hope you have the best day.